If you're editing in Pixlr and want to save your work the right way, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're exporting a photo, saving a graphic with transparency, or keeping your layers editable for later, Pixlr gives you a few different format options depending on what you need. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, make sure your project is open inside the Pixlr editor. Once you're ready to save, go up to the top left corner and click File. This is where Pixlr keeps the main project options, including saving and exporting. From the File menu, click Save, or if you prefer, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows. That's a quick way to bring up the save options without using the menu. After that, a save window will appear and you'll need to choose the format that fits your project best. If you're working with a photo and want a smaller file size, JPG is usually the best choice. It's great for images without transparency, especially when you want something lightweight and easy to share. If your project includes graphics, text, icons, or transparent areas, PNG is the better option because it preserves quality and supports transparency. And if you want to come back later and continue editing with your layer still intact, choose PXZ. PXZ is the editable pixel project format, which is perfect when you do not want to flatten everything into a final image yet. Once you've selected the format you want, look to the bottom right corner of the window and click Save As. Pixlr will then generate the file and download it directly to your computer. From there, you can find it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. If you chose JPG or PNG, you'll now have a finished image file ready to upload, share, or use anywhere you want. If you chose PXZ, you'll have a project file that lets you reopen the design later and make changes without starting over. So the key thing to remember is this: use JPG for photos, PNG for graphics and transparency, and PXZ when you want to save your layers for future editing. That's all it takes to save an image in Pixlr the right way. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.